Hello student, today is your first class, class 6 and 7. Today we are going to learn about some basic thing about drawing. So let's start. Some basic things are, suppose first I just draw some landscape formation. It is one simple landscape. Now in this landscape we can see so many important things like trees and one line. This you can see, this is one straight line. It is called horizon line, and in the landscape formation horizon line is very important part. Okay, and we can see some trees very far, like this tree and another one, this one. In this drawing we can see 3 trees and some land area, and this is the horizon line. In this picture we can see nearest trees we can see properly. This all the leaves we can see properly, and these are very far. That's why for perspective we cannot able to see the background tree in detail. So for perspective, nearest thing we can see very prominent with all detail, and same thing if we can see from very far we cannot able to see particular color, particular shape and all details thing. So in this drawing we already learned, first thing is the horizon line. In the drawing horizon line is very important, and in landscape or in still life also, in next video you can see the still life also. So in this picture perspective also very important for drawing. Now what is the perspective? Suppose this is one road, and beside the road we can see so many trees. It also another landscape. In this landscape we can see nearest things are very big and prominent, and we can see all the trees are, if we can see it very far, it is very small and hazy. In the drawing this is called perspective. Nearest thing, nearest part will be prominent and with proper color, and background we can see some trees and all the extra part of the drawing, but that part is hazy and not prominent. This thing happen in drawing for perspective. It is called perspective. Okay, now in this drawing we can see this road is become meet in one point. It is not a original point, but it's look like a point. This point is called vanishing point. If we stand in the middle of the road, then we can see this two lines are going to meet in one point, but if we want to touch that point, but we cannot touch any point. Now let's detail something in this picture. Okay, now in this drawing, from this point we have to draw one line. It is very important for drawing. It is called horizon line. It is horizon line. So in drawing horizon line and perspective, a very important part. Now next is eye level. What is the eye level? So if we are standing here, my eye is here only. If I look straight, so this line is my eye level. Okay, and if I look up, it is above the eye level. If I look down, it is called below the eye level. So I just showing you here. Suppose it is one box. Now my eye level is here. I can see the box straight. If this box is here, then I can see this part of this box. It is above the eye level, or we can call it earthworm eye level. Earthworm eye level. And if my eye level is here, then I can see the box is like that. We can call it bird view eye level. So this face we can see from the top. Okay, above the eye level, below the eye level, and this is my straight eye level. Now just before, I already mentioned some horizon line. What is horizon line? Suppose this is the land, this part is the land, and this is sky. So if I see from very far, I can see that line is straight, and I can feel that earth is end here, and from here, from that just backside from this tree we can touch the sky. From here I can see I can touch the sky, but it is not possible. If I go here on that line, I can touch the sky, but it is not possible. So after, if I go in this point, then I can see again another line will create somewhere else. So this is called horizon line and vanishing line also. So it is called horizon line and vanishing line also, because it is, if I want to touch this line, never I touch this line, that is called vanishing line and horizon line. Was the first drawing. So I already showing you some drawing in this page. This is called, we just repeat again, this is called vanishing line or horizon line. And for perspective we can see this nearest tree size is big and prominent, and very far we can see another two trees are not prominent and small also, size also small. Okay, and in next page we already learned about vanishing point and perspective. Nearest thing we can see bigger than from that backside material or backside anything. Okay, so in another drawing we already learned vanishing line or horizon line. Now we are talking about baseline. It also very important and basic thing in the drawing. Whenever we draw anything, we have to draw some baseline. What is the baseline? Now you just see, if I draw here one boat, it is very simple, one small boat on the river. Okay, 1 and 2 human figure also we can create on it. Now in this picture we can see this boat is floating on the river, and we can see some lines already create on the water. So this is called baseline. This all a tree on the land, and we can see some line also here. So this tree is attached with the line and with the land. This line is very important. This is called baseline. And similarly here also we can see some line. This tree also touched with the land. It also called baseline. So now I think everyone clear about baseline, horizon line, and we can call this horizon vanishing point, vanishing line also, and vanishing point. Okay, let's do some another drawing for vanishing point. See, if I draw one railway track, it is one railway, I think you can understand, it is one railway track, and as you know, this railway track never meet in one point. It is not possible. But if we follow this track from the center, from the middle, then if I am standing here in middle, and if I look straight, I can feel in some point these two lines are meeting in some point, but practically it cannot happen. Okay, it is impossible. So this point, for perspective we can see this point, But if you want to touch this point, if you go there, then again in another place we can see same point will create again. So this point is called vanishing point. Okay, so vanishing point also very. Now we just know about some pencil. These are the pencil from HB to 6B or 8B. We can use all B section pencil for drawing. So as you can see, this is 2B pencil. Okay, and it also 2B pencil. This is 2B pencil. Okay, and I have it is 6B pencil. 6B pencil. These all are drawing pencil, and we can see it is 3B pencil. This all are B section pencil, 5B pencil. Okay, so many pencil you are going to use for shading. There are 2 section of the pencil. These are B section pencil, and we have H section pencil also. If we use HB and all this type of pencil, these all are very hard pencil, and this B section pencil all are very soft. Okay, first technique is the gradation. What is the gradation? With the pencil, always you follow my hand. I just hold this pencil with help this 2 finger and this finger on the top. Okay, so I just hold it like this. As you can see how you hold this pencil for shading. This is the technique for holding the pencil. Your 2 finger, this thumb and middle finger, you just hold it, and this finger on the top. Okay, now gradation. Student, you can see I already start some technique of gradation. Okay, now in this you can see that shading dark, 3 tones are here. There are dark, medium and light. Always you have to follow dark, medium and light. These 3 tone we use for shading. Now next is the hatching. What is the hatching? See, for hatching you just hold your pencil like this normally, not here, not like a pen. You just hold it little bit up, and your hand position is like that. With the pencil tip you just as you can see, I already started with the dark, medium and light. So it is hatching. This is number 2. It is hatching. It is gradation. Now cross hatching. What is the cross hatching? For cross hatching we need the tip of the pencil and hold it like that. Hatching also same, and cross hatching also same position. You just hold it like this normally, but not down. You just try to hold your pencil little bit up and Now I just going to hatch on that line like this. It is called cross hatching. If you need more dark, you just do it on it again. So it is called cross hatching. Okay, now fourth point is the stippling. Stippling is very simple thing. Suppose this is your area and you just do with the pencil tip. If we want more dark on that, we can repeat. It is medium and lighter. Okay, it is stippling. Now last one is scribbling. Scribble means here also you have to follow that dark, medium and light tone. These tones are very important for drawing. Before applying all this shade on any landscape or still life, first you practice all this technique on the page with a simple pencil. After that, with B section pencil, obviously 2B, 4B and 6B pencil we can use for this shade, and after that you try to do any type of small still life formation or landscape formation using all this technique. Thank you.